Welcome back, guys and girls. You're watching me, EMKWAN, here on EMKWAN Reviews. Now this is an unboxing and first look at the brand new P20 Pro by Huawei. Do stay tuned till the end of the video because I'll be giving you information on how you can win a brand new Huawei phone. Now, as soon as you pull back that lid, you're going to be greeted with the brand new P20 Pro in a range of different colors. This particular model is in the beautiful blue, and we'll take a closer look at that in a moment. But inside the box, you're going to get the SIM ejector tool, you're going to get a supercharged power brick, and that comes with a USB-C sync and charge cable as well. Now, because this doesn't have room for that 3.5mm headphone jack, Huawei have included in there a USB-C inline hands-free set. They've also included an adapter just in case you do want to plug in your standard headphones. Now, once you pull back the plastic, you'll see a 6.1-inch OLED display. Now, this is interesting because the P20 Pro actually has an 18.7:9 panel, which actually makes it thinner and taller than a standard 16:9 screen. Once you pull back the plastic on the back, you'll notice that vibrant color, and this, my honest opinions, it looks absolutely amazing, but it is going to be an incredible fingerprint magnet. So if you're OCD about those things, you'll want to find a case really quickly. Now, essentially, you have a glass on the back and the front, and then that sandwich between metal. And I have to admit, on first impressions, it feels unbelievably premium in the hand. It's really very comfortable, and it has this slight curvature on the back and on the front, so it fits very comfortably in the hand. Taking you around the device very quickly, there's nothing very unusual. We'll talk about the strange camera setup at the back in a moment, but you can see there's a fingerprint scanner on the front of the device, which also acts as a home button, and then you have really nothing else which is out of the ordinary. Now, once you power the P20 Pro on, you'll notice the screen come alive, and immediately you'll notice the notch there at the top. Now, there are some people that absolutely hate the notch, but there are some advantages, and I've mentioned this in previous videos, and that's why we're seeing more and more manufacturers incorporate that notch at the top. Namely, the fact that when you have that notch, you can reduce the side bezels, giving you more screen real estate. And also, a lot of the new facial recognition cameras and hardware that's involved with that needs that notch at the top. So this is something that we see in the P20 Pro, and to be honest, I don't have an issue with that, but I know some people might not be happy to see that. Anyway, as far as out of the box, this thing is running Android 8.1 Oreo, which is great to see, and it also comes with Huawei's own EMUI layer or skin, whatever you want to call it. Now, we've seen vast improvements in EMUI over the number of years, but that does give you the option to change up the themes, to change up the layout, and that's there if you would like that. Now, moving on to cameras, and this is where it gets really interesting with the P20 Pro, because this is the first time that we've ever seen essentially a tri-camera setup on a modern smartphone. So we have a 40 megapixel telephoto sensor, which has an aperture of f1.8, and a 20 megapixel monochrome sensor with an aperture of f1.6. That's used for depth and texture. And then a third camera, a standard 8 megapixel image sensor with an aperture of f2.4. Now, the 8 megapixel camera has an optical image stabilization incorporated within it, whereas the other two have artificial intelligence stabilization, and that works in line with the Kirin 970 processor. Huawei have been pushing this massive progress and development into AI and letting the phone help the user sort of get the perfect shot. This is really interesting because this is one of the things that I want to test out in a separate video. So if you'd like me to test out just the camera, be sure to leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe so that you know when that video goes live. I think you can agree with me that this is going to be a fun smartphone to review for the next week or so. Now, I mentioned at the beginning about a giveaway. So here's the thing. In the last video, I unboxed and also gave you a first look at the brand new Huawei Nova 3E. I'm going to be giving one of those away to one of you guys. And the rules are very simple. Check out the description bar below for the full details, but you have to follow me on Instagram, you have to find this particular image, and you have to then leave a comment and also tag someone else. Now, it goes without saying, you have to make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and also following me on Instagram, and then I'm gonna select one person and give them the photo. Right guys, that's it from me for now. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to smash that like button and leave your comment down below. What do you think about the brand new P20 Pro? Until next time, I'm EMKWAN. I'll see you again here on the channel. Peace and blessings.